Hello, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your front Defender frame stiffener. Alright, let's get started. First you want to remove your 4 lower control arm bolts that hold the control arms to the chassis. You have 2 inner brackets. One is taller than the other. The taller one will go toward the front on the inside of the frame. Now you can repeat the steps for the opposite side. Now you can take your bottom plate and line up the holes on the bottom and start your bolts. Now that we have all our center bolts started, we can take our rear tab and put on the rear bolt. Now you'll take your front frame brace and stick through the front bolts. Now that we have all those bolts started, you will need to drill a hole in the frame. In order to do that, we'll need to tighten up all the bolts and then use that bolt hole for a pilot hole. Now that you have gotten all your bolts tight, you will need to drill the front hole. You will need to use a 13/32 drill bit or a 10 millimeter.